turn this into a mini Stark Varg. Day one. Now this is a QS 165 60H. That's the size of the magnet stator with a gear reduction. This is a 520 chain. They do come with a 420. You got to buy a different sprocket. No biggie. You get these sprockets from a Sushin FW07 motor. So first issue you're going to run into are the phase wires, the direction they are. Thankfully, you can rotate those. So if you pull out all these screws, you're able to rotate the gearbox in relation to these mounts. So you can pick the angle you want this to be, and then you can pick this angle you want this as close to